Here they are building. They're gonna build. They just started, I think. Here they're gonna build an apartment called Aurora. This is in Phu My Hung. Phu My Hung is the builder, as you see, Phu My Hung city center. So down here is where Phu My Hung starts. That means I'm in Phu My Hung now, at the end of Phu My Hung, and I was just thinking of I can make a video and show as I walk from Phu My Hung to Sky89, walking distance, because it's not far. So here they're gonna build the Aurora. So that is Phu My Hung, in Phu My Hung, and Phu My Hung go down to the corner here. So it actually very close to Sky89 from here. So we are still in Phu My Hung here. Well, this is address Phu My Hung, but as I cross the road here, we come to Ward Tan Phu. That's where the Canada school is, and that's where Sky89 is. So now we're actually gone. We crossed the road and we are in Tan Phu, Ward Tan Phu. So now we're gonna see. Yeah, so we got 1 minute in the video, 1 minute and 50 seconds, and then we're gonna see how fast I walk down to Sky89. That's a little fun to see, because it, like I said, about 3-4 minutes on a motorbike, and it actually not take long to walk. So now you saw where Phu My Hung ended and where we entered Tan Phu. And actually it's in District 7. It's just different, how you say it, different areas in District 7, yeah. So like I said, Phu My Hung is the city center, that in District 7, and we live in Tan Phu, which is just outside. And here you see it say Tan Phu, so that's where we are now, and that's where Sky89 is. So we live basically just outside Phu My Hung, and you saw that Aurora, that is the last of Phu My Hung. So we are basically that's where the line goes from the city center to Tan Phu. Tan Phu is also large, I would say. Even though Tan Phu is large, it's still next to Phu My Hung. Then it depends where in Tan Phu you live, of course. But like I said, we live very close to Phu My Hung. And now you see the Canada school here with a big TV there showing that. The tiny flower Montessori is there. Then we go over the bridge. See now, it's a little cool to see the traffic at night, all the lights and this and that. So that is nice. I've been to the shop as well, so now we're just walking down to see the time, because it's not that far. And as a you know, You see how close the schools are. You see everything so close, within walking distance actually. But of course, in the daytime it's really hot, and that's why people use taxis and motorbikes. I would say the only crazy Westerners like me that actually enjoy walking outside and like to be outside in the sun. Although we like it, we need to be careful, because here you can get heat stroke and dehydration very fast, which is not fun. So yeah, that we need to be careful. But I actually don't mind walk outside in the sun. But I know Asian people don't like it much, and so they naturally use cars, taxis, motorbike, or motorbike taxis, because they don't like to be out in the sun. They don't like to get a tan. Then they get more dark, and in Asia, dark skin color isn't considered what should I say, high class. I mean, dark skin color is still, they regard it as a little low class. You come from the countryside, you have a job that, you know, is being outside, so you get dark skin, not in an office. So there's still a little stigma about that dark skin in Southeast Asia, and they do prefer more pale shades as a color of the skin, and that is more sought after. Simple as that. So that's why you will always see Vietnamese and Thais mostly go on motorbikes and taxis. They don't want to go out in the sun. So then you know that. I like to walk. Now I've been walking not long, about 6 minutes. So in this video about 6 minutes, so it's not far. And now you can actually see the A down there. That will be on Sky89. So we can see the building from here already. We walked 6 minutes, and now it's just a walk down there. So it's not far at all. And that shows how close everything is. If we moved up here like those 3-4 minutes on motorbike, or 10-20 minutes walking, I'm not sure, I need to see now. That's why I make this video, just a little for fun. But that makes a huge difference in price of the apartment or house. So it makes a huge difference. Those minutes is a big difference, because the address pumped the price up. Simple as that. Just to make an example, if you live in America, in California is big. A lot of many nice places you can live there. But if you have the address Beverly Hills, the price is different than if you have address Hollywood or Santa Monica Boulevard or even Malibu. Although Malibu is also expensive, but I do believe Beverly Hills beat it. So everything is about address, and it's same here. So we have cheaper apartment because we live just outside Phu My Hung. But we have everything and it's so close. So it's good. We live so close to Phu My Hung that it's no problem. So yeah, that's it. Yeah, see, when we walk up here, not far, but here they have massage as well. Never been there, don't know what massage they offer or anything. Usually those massage places, they offer a little happy ending also, I believe. Not sure about this one, I don't know. But if you want real massage, no hanky-panky stuff in Vietnam, then you need to go to something called spa. But if you go to this massage stuff, then you probably get offered some things. And yeah, so you know. So that is the massage in Vietnam. God knows what a VIP massage is. I have no idea, never tried it, never been there. I can only imagine what that VIP would be like. So yeah, but like I said, if you're hurt, your neck hurt, whatever, you're not gonna get it relieved and fixed in massage. Then you need to go to a spa. So you had a long flight to Vietnam, your neck hurt a little, your legs are stiff, whatever, you want to feel better, go to a spa. Do not go to any massage. Then it wouldn't help you much. Now you see the A on the building. You have that round building there. You see it from the balcony. That's called Tulip Tower. Don't know if it looked like a tulip flower, but at least that's what it's called, Tulip Tower. So now we're almost back home because it's a little stretchy now. Then we cross Hung Fat Street, and then it's just down a little, and then we have Sky89 there. So we are basically home now. It's very, very close, and like I said, now I've been walking for about 11 minutes. Then we have yeah, maybe 21 minutes to walking distance, whereas you can go that distance on a motorbike about 4 minutes, I guess. Could be 3 to 5 minutes, depends on the traffic, how fast you drive and so on. But that's how close the schools are and Phu My Hung. So I usually say we are about 5 minutes on a motorbike from Phu My Hung, and that's pretty accurate. I'm not far off on that. It takes us about approximately 7 minutes, 8 minutes on motorbike or with taxi to Crescent Mall. So from home, so it actually very close to everything here. And across the street from Crescent Mall is FV Hospital. That will take us about 8, maybe 9 minutes with motorbike or taxi. So we are very close to one of the best hospitals in Ho Chi Minh. We are very close to the international schools. We are very close to Crescent Mall. And of course we have all the shops you see around here. Gas stations, shops and so on. This is Hung Fat Street. Here I need to cross. This is always fun because the crossing in Vietnam is like it is. You just need to walk when you see when you see it is a chance. And then we have to walk over here. Luckily that's on in there, and we walk over here. So now we're just going down here. We are now in Hang Kong Wit Street. So that's our address. So I'm in the street where I live now. That's down here. So that's but yeah, we are down here. So now it's been like what, 15 minutes walking from Phu My Hung. So it's not far. I should estimate from here maybe 22-23 minutes walking, about that, to Phu My Hung. That is not very far, and like I say, about 4 or 5 minutes on motorbike. So it go fast on the motorbike. People are running, people are walking. Have the football here, have the tennis here, a lot of sports. We have what else? Yeah, football, tennis. We have that water park, small, but it's still there. A little down here, we have car. Here they clean cars and fix up cars, change tires and so on. They fix motorbikes. Karaoke everywhere. Nothing new in Asia. Strangely, everybody thinks they sing like Taylor Swift. But the truth is, they scare the living shit out of any cat. And sometimes me too. Because most people actually don't know how to sing. And it's really horrible to listen to. And then they crank it up on full volume, the absolutely loudest they can get, and then they think they sing good, and it's really, really bad. They actually sing really, really bad. But that you get used to it. I would say that you get used to it. It's everywhere in Asia. No matter what district you live in, that will never be away. If Asians live there, you will have some karaoke either at home or restaurant or bar, something. There will be something. Like I said, Mercedes and Maybach, S-Class Maybach. So you see these cars around in District 7 a lot. Because like I said, this is a district where people actually have money. Not everybody can afford to live here, and that's how it is. Look at the time now. So we are at 17 minutes walking now ish. 17 minutes from Phu My Hung, and that's not far. So when I said 23, maybe a 25, 26 minutes, but I walk with the phone. I don't walk my fastest pace. I take it a little slow, and but you see, you know, you get a sense of the distance, and we that's why I like Sky89, because we are so close to Phu My Hung, and that's the city center. We can walk there, we can take the motorbike and we can take taxi or motorbike taxi there. So everything is close by, very close, and I like that a lot. I like a lot that I can just walk everywhere. I did say in the video it's 9.7 kilometer from Sky89 to Takashimaya Mall in District 1. And I mean, it's hot in the daytime to walk outside, but I have no problem walking 10 kilometer. So I can actually walk from District 7 to District 1, and I don't have any problem with that. But that will gonna take me about probably 1.5 hours or something to walk. So it's not like the end of the world, but I wouldn't do it in the middle of the day, then it's too hot. But yeah, we're not more far from District 1 either, that I can walk there in about 1.5 hours. So now we're in here. Here we have La Casa, Skyline, and then we're going to remember this from my other video, and you see how close we are to Phu My Hung. And when it's just outside Phu My Hung, then it's pretty spot on, because to walk for 23-25 minutes. Let's see here. At 22, we have spent now 24 minutes here. If I'm calculating correct. And here is Skyline, so we are home. Right, so this is the street. Here is Skyline. And we walk down here, turning into Panorama and Sky89. So here is AnGia Skyline. We are now home. So from Skyline, I think I used 24 minutes walking to Phu My Hung. And now it's a few minutes more down to Sky89. So 24 minutes to Skyline, as you see here, Skyline. Watch these guys so they not run me over. I'm home free of them. Ay, 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 ay. That's the other thing, they just stop everywhere. You are walking, they don't care, they just stop and they don't look. So it's a little annoying with this traffic sometimes. They have no idea where to go. They just stop, they talk on the phone, it's a little crazy. But now not much traffic, because in here is just Sky89. There isn't any other places to go here. Here we have a panorama, so we are now passing that. And yeah, we are actually home free. We are going straight to Sky89. Riverside here. So that AnGia too. You have AnGia Riverside, AnGia Sky89, AnGia River Panorama, and AnGia Skyline. So we are in the home area. The school buses, some stop here because so many come at the same time. So some children live in river panorama, others in Sky89, some in Riverside, and some in Skyline, and some in La Casa. So it's a lot. But many times school buses, they stop here and just turn around, and a few smaller ones go actually all the way up. So yeah, it's been a little nice walk. Not too far. We are, as you see, in Sky89 now. It is 23, 27, 28 minutes, and that's it. So yeah, that's it. That was that video. So remember to subscribe and like, and see you again next time. Bye bye.